This video shows you how to replace the color imaging kit of your printer. Open the front door. Remove the toner cartridges. Remove the waste toner bottle. To avoid spilling the toner, place the bottle in an upright position. Remove the used imaging kit. To avoid print quality problems, do not expose the imaging kit to direct light or touch the photoconductor drum. Place the imaging kit on a clean, flat surface and in an upright position to avoid scratching or damaging the photoconductor drum. Unlock, and then remove the black imaging unit. Open the box, and then lift the imaging kit out of the box. Set aside the setup information sheet. Remove the foam, and then open the plastic. To avoid print quality problems, do not expose the imaging kit to direct light or touch the photoconductor drum. Remove the pieces of carton and tape. Remove the red plastic strips.
The entire.
Insert the black imaging unit into the new imaging kit. Lock the black imaging unit in place. Insert the new imaging kit until it is fully seated. Insert the waste toner bottle. Gently pull out and push back in the printhead wiper 3 times to clean the printhead lenses. Repeat these steps for each printhead. Insert the toner cartridges. Close the front door.